Wix, how to change the domain name. If you want to change domain name on Wix, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to open up your browser. And here I have a Wix website. Now, there are namely three steps that you can do to change the domain. First, you need to own the domain that you're trying to change to. You need to paste the domain and you need to copy and paste the name service to point that domain to your new website. In order to do that, once we're on the dashboard, right on the homepage, you'll find the option called connect domain if you haven't already connected, or you can go to the setup screen and there you'll find an option called connect a custom domain. Now, in my case, I have not connected any domain. Even if you have, you'll find the option to change the domain right here. So click on the change domain option right there and just paste the new domain. First of all, make sure that you own the domain. After that, you want to verify the domain by using the name service from your domain website, and from there you should be able to go ahead and then point out your domain and change it. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.